go. Hi love, welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much, and don't forget to like and comment, and feel free to ask any questions at the comment section. So I just had this crazy idea to do a home photo shoot, and it's our creative photo shoot, and I want to take you behind the scenes, as we take this from idea to actual reality, and I hope it works. So the items I'm going to use are just basic things that you can find at home, and I hope you join me after this. So let me show you. So number one, we have the tissue roll box. I don't know the name, so if you know the name, please tell me. Let's go to the second item. So we're going to use a cookie cutter. Then you're going to use this. I don't know what this is, I just found it. Next item we have is tape, sellotape, tape. And lastly, we're going to have our cell phones, because we're going to use the back camera and the flashlight. So the theme of the shoot is going to be green, and so I'm going to be wearing a green dress. And because I have red nails, I'm going to choose a red lipstick. This is how it's supposed to look like. So don't mind about how it looks around when you put the tape. It's supposed to look like this, as long as you have the camera and the flashlight inside the tissue roll. I hope you enjoy this and that you join me. So now I'm going to get my makeup done. I'm done with the makeup. So now I want to take the photos, and you can see how it will turn out. Let's keep our fingers crossed, hoping that they will turn out good. Yes, you can see red. Now this is the final look.